circular track, say this is a circular track and it has a diameter of 200 meters. 200 meter is the diameter of this circular track, right? And he completes this one round in 40 seconds, right? One round is completed in 40 seconds. So one round is completed in 40 seconds, right? What will be the distance covered and displacement in 2 minutes 20 seconds? What will be the distance covered and the displacement? I am putting a vector for displacement in a time of 20 minutes, 2 minutes 20 seconds. Time given, what is the time given? Time given is 2 minutes. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Converting everything into seconds. 2 into 60 plus 20. So that is 120 plus 20, 140 second. 140 second mein what will be the distance covered? We have to find out. And what will be the displacement? That we have to find out. Right, children? So what will be the distance covered in 2 minutes 20 second? एक राउंड कितनी देर में लगा रहा है? 40 सेकंड में. टोटल टाइम हमारे पास कितना है? 140 सेकंड. We will find out how many rounds he will complete in 140 seconds, right? So number of rounds will be 140 divided by 40. Solving, it comes out to be 3.5 rounds, 3.5 rounds. So in one round he will come here. In second round he will come here, in third round he will come here, and in fourth round, 3.5 round he will reach here. अभी distance मतलब distance covered कितना हुआ? In one round he will cover up how many times? ये पूरा round will be the circumference of the circle. So in one round how much distance? 2 pi r. कितने rounds लिए उसने? 3.5 rounds. So what will be the distance covered? Distance covered will be 2 pi r into 3.5. What is r? R is the radius. Radius will be 100 meter because diameter is given as 200. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 100 into 3.5. Right? After solving, this distance comes out to be, on solving, 2200 meters. So that will be your answer for the distance covered. So how much distance he has covered? He has covered 2200 meters distance in 3.5 rounds. Now we have been asked about the displacement. अभी जब वो एक राउंड ले रहा था यहां तक, जहां से गया वहीं पे वापस आ गया. इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पोजीशन इज सेम. डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0. सेकेंड राउंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0. थर्ड राउंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0. 3.5 में वो कहां पहुंचेगा? यहां से जाके 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 ही विल रीच हियर. तो अभी वो वापस आता तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 हो जाता, लेकिन वो वहां पे है. तो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पॉइंट्स, व्हाट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी? Yes, the diameter of the circle. So what will be the displacement? Displacement is equal to the diameter AB. And what is the value of diameter? 200 meters. So what is the displacement of the body? 200 meter. What is the distance covered by the body? 2200 meters. This is your final answer. I hope this is clear to you. Yes. Coming to the next question. The next question says, very very interesting children. The next question says Joseph jogs from A to B. Joseph A से B तक जाता है in a straight 300 meter road. The length of the road is 300 meters in 2 minutes 30 seconds. In 2 minutes 30 seconds, right? So we will stop here. A से B तक जाने में उसको कितना टाइम लगा? 2 minutes 30 seconds. So we will take the time in jogging from A to B. Let us say कि जाने का टाइम जो था A to B का T1 था. So let us say T1 is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Converting minute to second, 2 into 60 plus 30. That comes out to be 150 seconds. मतलब 150 seconds में वो A से B तक पहुंच गया. Proceeding. And then turns around and jog 100 meter back to a point C. Right? Then he turns around. यहां से A से B तक गया, टर्न हुआ और वापस आया C तक. B से C का डिस्टेंस दिया है 100 मीटर इन अनदर 1 मिनट. तो मतलब B से C तक आने का टाइम उसको कितना लगा? 1 मिनट. सो लेट अस से दिस टाइम इज, B से C का टाइम लेट अस से T2. सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ BC distance is 100 meter. B to C, time taken is T2, that is 1 minute. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. Now what we are supposed to find, what are Joseph's average speed? What we are supposed to find, the average speed and average velocity. Average velocity in A to B and in A to C. There are two parts of the question with 4 answers. We have to find average speed and average velocity from A to B, average speed and average velocity from A to C, right? So we will start from the first part, A to B. Now A to B, average speed का formula we know, average speed is total distance upon total time. A से B तक टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है 300, टोटल टाइम कितना है 150 सेकेंड. सो व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ एवरेज वेलोसिटी, एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम. व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट A to B, अगेन 300. व्हाट इज द टोटल टाइम टेकन, अगेन 150. So what is the answer 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. अगेन मतलब A से B तक जाने में एवरेज स्पीड भी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज ऑल्सो 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ वी कम टू B to C. No, the second part says A to C, not B to C. The second part is asking A to C. Now in A to C, अभी तुम देखो A से C तक कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, 300 ऐसे गया और 100 ऐसे आया. टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इज 300 प्लस 100, दैट इज 400. लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है ए और सी के बीच का शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. सो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना आएगा, यहां से यहां तक का डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 200 मीटर. कितना दूर रह गया वो, 300 मीटर टोटल था, 100 आ चुका है तो कितना बच गया 200 बच गया. सो ए टू सी एवरेज स्पीड में टोटल डिस्टेंस लेंगे, एवरेज वेलोसिटी में टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट लेंगे, राइट. सो विल फाइंड आउट एवरेज स्पीड फर्स्ट. टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 300 प्लस 100. हाउ मच इज द टोटल टाइम, जाने में उसको लगा था 150 सेकेंड, आने में उसको लगा 60 सेकेंड. व्हाट इज द टोटल टाइम 150 प्लस 60, हाउ मच 400 by 210. So on solving it comes out to be approximately 1.9 meter per second. Average speed is 1.9 meter per second, right. Now coming to the average velocity. Now average velocity is the displacement. Displacement will be 300 minus 100. लेकिन टाइम तो उसको उतना ही लगा जाने में भी और आने में भी. So time will be 150 plus 60. That is, it comes out to be 200 upon 210. So on solving it comes out to be approximately 0.95 meter per second, right. So that is how the answers for A to C 1.9 and 0.95 meter per second. Yes, coming to the third question. The third question says that Abdul, while driving to school, computes average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip for the same route, there is less traffic. So less traffic means his speed increased and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? Say this is his house and this is school. This is school. The distance between both of them is fixed. Because distance is not given, so we consider this unknown distance as x. So वो घर से स्कूल जाता है, while going his speed is 20 km per hour. House to school. Now when he is returning, there is less traffic. Less traffic मतलब speed could be increased. So while coming back, the speed was 30 km per hour. जाते वक्त 20, आते वक्त 30. Now tell me what is the average speed. अभी this is not maths. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 and the answer is 25. No, we have to solve it with regard to time. ऐसा एवरेज हम तब निकाल सकते हैं जब टाइम सेम हो. अभी कम स्पीड से ज्यादा जा रहा है तो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, ज्यादा स्पीड से आ रहा है तो कम टाइम लगेगा. सो लेट अस से while going his time taken was t1, while coming back his time taken was t2. So considering, let time from home to school is t1. As we know, speed is distance upon time. So what is the formula for time? Distance upon speed. So टाइम जाते वक्त कितना लगेगा, डिस्टेंस हमें नहीं पता है, x, स्पीड पता है हमें 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. I am not converting kilometer per hour to meter per second because not required for this question. किलोमीटर पर आवर में ही हम आंसर देंगे, right? So let time from school to home is t2. T2 will be while coming back. Distance is not going to change. X by, now the speed has changed to 30. Distance is and the speed is 30, right? So what is the total time? Total time will be t1 plus t2. What is the total distance? X while going, x while coming, that is total distance is 2x. How do we find average speed? Average speed is given by total distance traveled upon total time of the whole journey. So x plus x is the total distance upon total time is t1 plus t2. What is x plus x? 2x upon t1. T1 is x by 20 plus x by 30. Solve it and get the answer, right? So say 2x upon LCM of both of them 600, 20, yeah, this is 60, sorry. So 3x plus 2x. So this comes out to be 2x upon 5x upon 60, ऊपर चला जाएगा into 60. x get cancelled out, 5. 12 times 12 into 2, 24 kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed of Abdul in the whole journey? The average